Hello guys, welcome back to KS Digital Concepts. So you're very welcome. I want to quickly teach you something that is so much amazing in this Tafaxtra. So there's something that you are missing here, and you don't need to be missing it, okay? Or you may be getting it tricky, or you don't know how to go about it. So we're going to do the manipulations here now. So you are going to log into your account. You need to be you're supposed to be claiming your $250 every day, and be using it to be doing your staking. So, but when you want to click on it, you will notice that it is blank, something of that. It's not clickable. So let's log in and see what I'm saying. Let's log in. Okay. So here is my account right now, Nabi. If you scroll down, when I click, when I will do what I'm going to do now, you're going to see that this 20 points, this is my 20 airdrop points, will increase to 30 when I will do what we're going to do now. Do you see claim here? So this claim is not active. Can you see? This screen is not active. But for you to activate it, they say you have to do this. Here you have to be 0. So nothing is here. That is number 1 rule. Okay. So number 2 rule, we're going to go and do node subscription. We're going to do node subscription. Are you with me? So follow me. Let's go there. Come to point here, your home here. You see this point. Click here. You are going to see. Uh, sorry. Click on that straight horizontal line. It will show you this. Then you see node subscription. Can you see my node? So we're going to do this node subscription. You click on the node subscription, it will open. So it will bring out this. Say they have so you can read it up. So let's go to where we have this point. The minimum you can stake is this 50 or maximum minimum. So but here you see if your own is not up to 0.1, the thing will not go. So but let's see what is going to happen because I have done this node before. So that is why this morning I don't have BNB because the rules say you must have what? BNB. So but there is what they're going to do to get the BNB. It is not your money, it's free money. So you're not going to spend any time here. So don't be afraid of sending your BNB. We're going to get free 0.5 BNB for us to do what we're going to do now. So scroll down also. Do you see node? Drag it till you reach the end. You see 50. Maybe your own may be 100, but this what I have here is 50. So then you click below. Click here. Grade 5 node. So if you click on it, if you have enough, do you see? You say I don't have uh, up to that amount. So what we are going to do now? Okay, sorry that I have a call then. So let's continue. We don't have BNB for us to create our node. Listen, we need to fund this account. So we need to fund it, but it's not our own money. So we need to fund this BNB. Let's go there and see how we're going to fund it. So for the first time, um, make sure you keep note of this. By the time you're going to open this page for the first time, if you open this page for the first time, a pop-up message will open here. A pop-up message will appear around here in yellow form. So if it comes in yellow form, that means once the message drops here in yellow form, make sure you click on it. It will take you to a new page. So that new page is where we're going to do this we're going to do now. Or if you are going to copy the address. So let's go there first and see what will happen. So first of all, you need to click on your wallet for you to copy your wallet, your address. You see your address here. Click on copy. You see depositing address copied. Okay. So once the thing has written this for you, that means the wallet has been copied. So we now go to where we're going to get our extra 0.5 BNB for us to do complete this trade and get our $250 to stake and claim more airdrop. So let's go there. So when you open your own, you are going to see this. It will ask you to prove that you're not a robot. So you know how to do it, right? So you just indicate that you're not a robot. They see this, what they ask you to do. So they said for you to prove that you're not a robot, select such a thing like this kind of plate. So we can select this, we can select this, we can select this, we can select this. Okay, how many we have here? These three, they are out of place. So these are the ones we're going to select. We select like this. All right. Then we forget about this. That is how to prove that you're not a robot. Okay. Let's see next. So you are going to select again to prove to verify. You select this. You see this type. Oh, verify. You see it as verify now. So and the website is see the website above. This is the website. You see it here. This thing. If you don't have, if you're not able to copy that initial time, you can type, go to your browser, type testnet.binance.org slash this percent hyphen smart. So once you type this thing that I circled here, once you type it in the browser search, it will take you to this point. So you need to paste the wallet here, click on give me BNB. The BNB will automatically deposit it to your wallet. You see this kind of magic. So let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there first. So give me BNB 0.5. You see, oh, so I have done this here before. So they didn't allow me to do this again here. So what am I going to do? Let me use another browser to do it. Okay, so that I will be able to show you what I want to show you. Okay. Okay, let's try it here to see if it will not go. So we press give me BNB. Oh, it can't work here again. Okay, let me see what will happen next. Okay, let me try it again. Wow. So this wallet cannot, I don't know if I have repeated it much. This wallet cannot perform this again. So till next 24 hours. So, but for your own that is doing it for the first time, you will be able to perform it. All right. So you will be able to perform the task. My own have not yet completed 24 hours. So if it had, I will have done it. But yours, do it and go back. So once you have completed it, you go back to your browser. Which of them are we using? You go back to your browser where you have the trade. Where is our trade? Okay. Okay, the one I did yesterday haven't completed, so that is why he's showing me that. So, but once it has reached up to 24 hours, once you did as I told you, looking at this point, you are going to see 0.5 BNB here, so that you will be able to click on create node. This is your node. So if you scroll down here, you can look below here. So if you drag this thing, you drag it to reach here. Once you drag it here, it will show you the number of node, 5 or 10. Is what is going to show you 5 or 10. That determines how many. If you have 100 there, it will go for 10. If you have 50, it will go for 5. So 5 times 10 is 50. Like 5 times 10 10 5 times 10 is 5 times 10 is 50. So for 50 node. So this two is where it's going. So after that, you click on this great node. It will show the number of node here. Once you click on great node, it will be successful here. You are going to see successful. Then you close it. You close this side. Go to your home page. Welcome. Go to your dashboard. So once you click on your dashboard, you scroll down. If you scroll down, getting to this point now, getting to here, this thing will not be active. Well, it will be active, fully active, like this counting, this countdown. It will be fully active. So you click on it to claim your 250. See your 250. So once you claim your 250, this your airdrop will increase. If you have 10 before, it will increase to 20. If you have 20, it will increase to 30. If you have 30, it will increase to 40. Then you now use it. Go back to staking. So for you to stake, for those people who don't know how to stake, you go to your staking, see staking here, click on stake, then you click here mass. So when you click on mass, that your 250 will appear here. Then you click stake, it will go. I hope I hope you understand what I did. This is mass. Click on this mass. Then after which you click on this stake. If you click on this stake, it will go. It will enter. So these are the one that I have done already. I've staked this one already. So if that one reach up to 24 hours, I will do it as I told you here, and I will come back to this stake and do the staking. It will also increase. So I will now have 3 orders. So that is how to do the more airdrop. As you are doing it, you are getting more airdrop. As you are doing it, you are getting more staking hub. So do it and thank me. Make sure you click on the subscription of this video, like if you haven't, click on the notification for you to get more updates like this. If you like what I'm doing here, give us a thumbs up. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.